Everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about nametuple. I will explain you what is it and when one should use it. Let's quickly jump on to Jupyter Notebook. So here I have defined a tuple named state and it is holding two values 1 and 0, wherein 1 represents on state and 0 is for off. So if I will go ahead and print state 0, then it will print 1 for me. It means the value of 0th index is 1 and the state is 1. Now let's say somebody else joined your team and who is looking at this code for the very first time. In that case, it is not possible for him to identify that what 1 is representing or what 0 is representing. And it may be the case that tomorrow you may have more values, let's say -1 or 45, something else. So how will you convey to the user or the developer that what is 1, what is 0? One way to do this is by using the comments. But again, that will clutter your code and may not make your code more readable. So the solution here is to use nametuple. So nametuple will make your code more readable and it will let user know or the developer know that what this particular number is representing or what this value is representing. So let's quickly go ahead and try that. So the very first thing is we need to import the required module. So it is in collections and I'm going to say import nametuple. Then what we can do is we need to use the nametuple constructor which will take first parameter as the name of your tuple. So state is my tuple which I want to create. And here I will put the possible values. So I want my tuple to hold values like on and off. So this is where I am defining my name tuple. Next thing is I need to associate some values 1 and 0 to these named parameters. So how can we do that? So I'm creating a new variable, let's say s, and inside that I am using the name tuple which we just created, and I am saying 1, 0. So here automatically we are mapping 1 with on and 0 with off. So it will go in the sequential manner. Now if I will go ahead and say print s.on, I will get the value as 1. So here you can see that rather than saying 1, 0, user can go and say that just get me the value of on or just get me the value of off, which is 0. So you can see that there may be few lines increase, but the code is much more readable and maintainable when we are going for the name tuple. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and thanks for watching.